Alright, so we'll be doing country music today. Your sexy cowboy is right over here. Mix D, shout out to everyone. And of course, we are live simultaneously to Bigo. Shout out ID number. So we are live simultaneously sa ating Bigo Live app. And of course, sa ating YouTube channel, guys. Alright, if you want to check it out, my YouTube channel is Mix Derulo. Alright, here's your sexy cowboy. Alright, doing a country music song for you. Alright, the title of the song is Would You Go With Me? Alright. Would you go with me? And if we walk down streets of fire, would you hold on to me tighter as the summer sun got higher? If we walk from town to town and never shut it down, would you go with me? If we lost in fields of clover, would we walk even closer until the trip was over? And would it be okay if I didn't know the way? And if I gave you my hand, would you take it and make me the happiest man in the world? If I told you my heart couldn't beat one more minute without you, girl, would you accompany me to the edge of the sea? Let me know if you're really a dream. I love you so would you go with me? If we roll the clouds together, would you not look down forever? If we're lighter than the feather. Oh, and if I said you, would you go with me? And if I gave you my hand, would you take it and make me the happiest man in the world? If I told you my heart couldn't beat one more minute without you, girl, would you accompany me to the edge of the sea? Help me tie up the ends of a dream. I gotta know, would you go with me? I love you so would you go with me? Ayan, lolo ko na naman yung ating Teka lang, restart ko lang yung tablet. Sige, restart ko lang muna.